Well, we got entertainment here. At least we got some fireworks here. I might as well shoot those.
I think there might have been a goose in the boat.
Yeah, there was. So we got these here. Yes, folks, at least we have other fireworks here. Yeah, they are. Way better than the boat. Good evening, everyone. I'm Robert Stevens here on the Robert Channel. It is 25 minutes to 10 o'clock, nearly approaching 20 minutes of 10 o'clock. Well, apparently something went wrong with the fireworks part, so the fireworks show in the harbor was stopped abruptly. But we had some fireworks up the street here. Being shot by amateurs. But yeah, everybody's now leaving here at Plymouth, the waterfront. And here. And now everyone's going to be going home, but I'm going to stop and have a little supper in a nearby restaurant. And I just want to say it's been a pleasure celebrating July 4th. Oh, I'm trying to put away my metal chair. It's... Yeah, it's now people walking up the street, heading back to their cars, going home. A bit disappointed that the fireworks show wasn't that long, as usual.
Julian! Where's the whole sidewalk? We'll never tell you what. That's pretty point in it.
Oh, she's riding her hoverboard. Yeah, they're not allowed on public transit conveyances, though. All right. Oh, wow, they went into Cafe Nicole's patio area. Want to get into trouble with people. Some fireworks, more amateur fireworks up the street.
Let's go left.
Great.
They're all on the wall, Robert.
He's sick. Yeah, that's bullshit.
Yeah, they are. Trying to get video of them. Well, but everyone's on their way home, though. Oh, they're gonna stop in there.